Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning outside. Today is Tuesday, the 28th of April 2026. Let's do a recap of the trade we were looking at yesterday. So, this is what we were looking at yesterday. We were looking for potential buys above this level. We never got the buys. As for the sales, we were looking for potential sales below this level. And this is our typical trade. You remember, as we were doing this analysis, this candle had already closed below this level. So I said I'll put my buy limit here. The buy limit was activated. You see, market just activated my buy limit. My sell limit, sorry. Yeah, it was a sell limit. It was activated here. You can see here by this candle here. Then I took the market from here all the way down to TP1, TP2, TP3. By myself, I got out at TP1 here. This is where I got out. But for whoever held the trade, I know you hit your TP2 and TP3. That is a win. That's a good way to start the week. So real quick, see, we got to a TP1, 2, 3. It's a good way to start the week. It was a Monday. So real quick, let's jump into the charts. First, calendar. Today is Tuesday. Any high impact news that we expect on the USD? Nothing. We don't expect any high impact news on the USD. The only high impact news it was on the JPY, Japanese yen. That was today morning at 6 a.m. The data is already out, I believe. So nothing affecting the dollar today, the USD. So real quick, let's jump into the charts, clear everything. Start our analysis from the monthly. Always, that's where we start. So this is what we have on the monthly. Our resistance is up there. Our support down here. We go down to the weekly. We have our resistance down here, our support up here. Go down to the daily. On the daily, we have our support down here. We have our support down there. And the resistance is up here. Support resistance on the daily. We jump down to 4 hours. On 4 hours, what are we looking at? We have our support there, our resistance there. Our support is still down here. And that is on the 4 hours. Jump down to 1 hour. On 1 hour, this is what we have. We have our resistance down here. Our resistance here. Our support is still down here. So on there now we're going to use the wicks. Here, move this one to the body there. Just to the body there. It is our 4-hour resistance. 1 hour resistance is here. Our 1 hour support is down here. Jump down to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, we have a resistance here. Okay, we had the support here that was broken. You can see that. Yeah. We had the support there that was broken. And the resistance here. That's on the 30 minutes. Let's see what we have on 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, still the same. This is the 8 a.m. candle. This is the 8:15. This is the 8:30 candle. 8:30 a.m. candle. So now here is where it gets a bit tricky. So here is what we will do. As you can see, the market is already pushing down. The market is already pushing down. So don't chase, just wait for the market to come back here. We'll wait for our market to come back here. We don't chase the candles. So these are potential sell. Potential sells below. And these are potential buys above. So we wait for market to come and retest this level here. And that's where we get our entry from. The market comes back here to retest this level. You see there's a fair value gap here. most likely the market will come here. It might get to this level, or it might or turn around here on this fair value gap. So this is how you get this is how you frame your entry. If the market comes back here and you see a rejection, that will be confirmation that the market is reversing, you know. That will be your confirmation here. So look out for a rejection here, because there's a fair value gap that has not been tapped in. This fair value gap here, you can see this fair value gap here, it has not been tapped into. If the candle comes here and you see a weak rejection closing below this, closing below 50% of this fair value gap, that is a very good signal that the market is continuing downwards. The market is continuing bearish. So that is where I'm going to look for my entries, around here, from this fair value gap to this level. Okay, hope you understand that. So if we get our entry here, I would want to push the market from here. I want to push the market to where it is down there, and let me see what we have on the left. Here's what we have on the left. That would be a good target. On the right, we have this one here. So I have this one here. There. There. And then sell side, we have that one there. Let's see what we have on 4 hours. On 4 hours, that's a structure that's been broken. If the market comes back, and there's this structure here. I'm going to push the market down there, and up to there. So now is what you're looking at today. I'm going to place my stop loss there. Push the market all the way down here. There. I'm going to push the market there. Stop loss. Let's have a stop loss there. That is for the sales. For the buys, no position. If we get a buy, I don't want to push it from Gonna pick a buy from there. Push it all the way to R is to reward ratio 2. My stop loss just below there. So this is what we are looking at today. But first I want to see it break this, break below this candle. If we get a break below this candle, that's when I'll push the market all the way down here. Okay, so happy hunting, guys. Trade what you see, not what you think. Risk manage your trades well. Remember, you don't have to trade every day. You don't have to track every trade. It doesn't fit your setup or your risk appetite. Don't overtrade. You just need one good setup to be profitable, to have a profitable week. You don't need to take every trade to be, you don't need to be on the market in every trade. Just pick one perfect setup that fits your rules and trade it. Plan to trade and trade the plan. Okay, guys, I think I'll have this 30 minutes candle almost closing. So we could have this one here. So we'd wanna first break below here and push it all the way here. Okay. But since this candle has not closed yet, I'll not put a level there. But you get what I mean, and that's how I'm going to trade today. So happy hunting, guys. That's what you're looking at today. That's what we're looking at today. See you tomorrow for a recap of the same. Okay. Ciao.